Hello everyone, my name is Rishika and welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about 8 Figma plugins which will help you to work efficiently in 2025. So let's get started. So the first plugin is Mockup.
So I will tell you about 8 Figma plugins which is very useful. As you can see, I have the book cover design where I need to place it on a mockup. So first I will go to the plugin section and type Mockup Plugin, and you can see it's there. And after that you can see various and different types of mockups available. I need to choose the book cover mockups. I will search for that. After that you can just select the design on the frame, and then automatically the design would get uploaded over there. Then you can just crop and paste. So now the mockup is available to use. Isn't that cool?
The second plugin is Easometric.
In this plugin you can change your design in any isometric perspective. You can go to the plugin panel and just type Easometric. So you can change your design into any isometric perspective. For example, I will keep on left.
Third plugin is Noisy Gradient.
So here you can import any gradient image. For example, just search for the plugin Noisy Gradient. So in the panel you can see that there are colors. So you can adjust the different colors and make your own gradient. Click on import. So you can use the gradient as a background or play with it to make something interesting.
The fourth plugin is AI Generation by Freepik.
You can search for AI image generation by freepik. So here you can write any prompt and then it can be converted into any image. For example, if you have an idea of illustration, you can just type in the prompt and see the results. Now you can see that there are few images came up due to writing the prompt. You can select any one of the image and work on it. Even you can vectorize this image.
The fifth plugin is Storyset.
In this plugin, you can import vector illustration where the design is changeable and you can change the colors. There are all styles available. You can see the different styles over there and import the design and do the changes that you want.
The sixth plugin is Autoflow.
This plugin makes wireframing easier by adding a tag For example, if the next flow is typing, you can write type on the flow.
The seventh plugin is Vectorize,
where you can convert any image into vector image. In the plugin, just search Vectorize. So here there is two options, color and black and white vector is available. You can edit and make changes by changing the color and everything. Isn't that amazing?
the eighth plugin is Iconify,
where you can import any icons that you want. There are a mix of libraries there, and there are different styles of icons also. You can use that to make your design better.
Thank you for watching the full video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel JDG Journey to Guide. You can achieve your goals and dreams. Rishika Chorsia.